No, read about this shit. You know what I'm saying? See about everything that's going on right there.
Underglow?
Touchdown.
Yep.
What? Yeah. Fuck a little bit till I ring. Fuck a little bit till I ring.
Another day, another vlog. It's Mario right now. We got a car show. Car meet, kind of dead. Yes, it is, man. It's car meet.
People, gentlemen, this is just people eating and they driving fancy cars.
Man, dude, this got to be a car meet. This car meet right here. We got the Lambo over there. We got the GTR.
2, 3.
Huh?
Happy to explain this car. He doesn't explain himself. It certainly doesn't. I'm Corey. It's an interesting looking vehicle, though.
Yeah.
I'm a fireman in the city, so I'm gonna put this on too.
Okay.
What's up, you guys? Everybody is sick as a little. This was 25 years ago. This was a 73 Volkswagen.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There's been some significant changes since then.
Absolutely.
And this is supposed to look like a Porsche 356.
Yeah, I see all the Porsche emmos right there and stuff. I was wondering.
The reason that's there, and it's the only place on the car that I did that, is because that is a Porsche motor.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't want to put it on the outside of the car because it's not.
Yeah.
And I didn't really.
Huh? Yeah. Scat pack.
This is Scat Pack.
Yeah, scat pack.
This is Scat Pack.
Oh boy. Woo. GTR, good dude. R32. Underglow.
Look at that.
Dang, with the underglow and everything. Oh wow. Not a top bar, but still a Honda. What the heck? Tomad.
That's why old people are so nice.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Gotta get something for the snap, you feel me? Yeah, Mustang gang. Whoa. Whoa. Tokyo Drift.
What you thinking that?
Tokyo Drift out here. Man, my camera died, y'all know. Ooh, nice. And you good? Like that. Yeah, shit whack. I didn't like that one. That one get a pass. I don't know how to feel about that.
Hold on, chair. They're about to be here all night.
Whoa! And they said no hot stuff.
No, the hot boy shit is the burnout. That ain't nothing.
Oh.
The hot boy shit with niggas be here burning out with donuts and shit. But there's so much parking here, so many people here, that's not gonna happen.
Yeah.
If that part was empty,
Yeah.
then it'd probably be like a line. Niggas ready.
Tandems and all that.
I always love this taste.
The Nardo Gray. Got the bourbon on it. Okay. Whoa. Switch to the GoPro. Oh, big truck.
You here to pull somebody today right now.
Oh. Hey, man. That boy low to the ground.
I always feel some type of way with people that have flashes like that. I always feel.
Let me make sure I know.
I always feel
That's right.
offensive.
That's so messed up.
I always feel just a hint of particular beliefs that I don't agree with.
DL1.
I'm all for it, baby. I'm all for it. That shit's cold as ice right there.
Oh, gang. Oh, 6ix9ine. I hate this guy.
No, you don't. Because you even sing this song way so you don't.
Because it's funny. It's funny. It's funny. I do,
The other
man.
day, he was just blasting Akon and 6ix9ine.
I only do that. Only do that. Yes.
Buddy!
I do it on purpose to mess with him.
Because you like it.
Oh my lord.
That's how you like it, man. It's all
I
right.
don't.
It's okay.
It's
just
funny.
music.
No, I don't see any humor in it. I
Okay.
just think that you like it.
Right.
It's funny because like out of all people, Akon let him on that song. Locked Up. That's crazy. Broken Dreams. Nighters Crew. Oh, okay. Overnighters Crew. Overnighters Crew. Okay.
You don't even know the juice in here like that. You don't even know. I'm gonna get a sticker. As a matter of fact, I have a Ralph sticker in my car. I might need to put it somewhere.
I was just gonna say right there.
Like right in there. Yeah.
Man,
Just so they know. Powered by.
they're gonna be like, oh, regular 5.0. Wait a minute. Whoa, this boy got some power on it.
Put the reading glasses over here.
Okay. That look trash. But that one there look nice. Oh God. Hey, I hope you do it again. Do it again. Just do it one more time. Just do it one more time. That's all I need you to do.
He out there.
Damn,
All fun and games. somebody crashed.
It sounds like a GTR.
Same reason why we all listen to Future.
Man, y'all
Good love, but you know, this shit. I fuck with Mexican music, man. That shit give me hype. That shit give me hype. I ain't gonna hold you up.
It give me that salsa vibe.
What?
That salsa
You got
vibe.
salsa into that shit that they was just playing. Do you know that you're holding the camera? You just playing
Yeah.
that shit all over on the ground and shit.
Yeah, I know what I'm saying.
It's newbie. It's newbie. Fucking amateur.
My camera's about to die. So if y'all don't get this, well,
It ain't live, so what you mean? They don't know that shit.
now they know. Now they know.
He's talking about if they don't get it. They ain't watching this yet, dog.